Another Japan exclusive, this is Bicycle Godzilla G-1.0. This is based on the recently re-released movie based on the Godzilla franchise, no? And this is also licensed by Toho Company Limited. Now, for the cards, no, medyo unusual siya. Kasi, as you can see, yung paper na base color niya, it's somewhat in a silver or parang grayish siya. And meron siyang big part of silver metallic ink in the form of Godzilla's back. Now, bukod doon, meron siyang kakaiba dito kasi apat yung jokers niya. As you can see, na iba-ibang may written text. And this one, the fourth one, says Operation Sea God and Special Disaster Response Headquarters. No? For the other cards naman, it is a mix of custom and semi-custom artwork. As you can see, ito yung sa numbered cards niya. Meron siyang ito pa rin yung silver metallic ink na likod ni Godzilla, and yung mga pips niya, it's faded or parang scratched, diba? Yun yung effect niya. And other cards, for the core cards, you have 12 custom artwork, pero yung art style niya is a sketch of Godzilla in black and white, diba? Yan yung artwork. And the King of Spades. Now, for the aces naman, you have 4 na ang kakaiba lang is the Ace of Spades. Last one, for the back design, you have 2 illustrations of Godzilla and the written text of Godzilla. Yun lang.